You're lying in bed. It's 2 a.m. Everyone else is asleep, but your brain won't stop. It's replaying conversations, creating problems that don't exist, and asking questions that have no answers. You're exhausted, but you can't switch off. This isn't weakness. This is overthinking. And today, we're going to fix it forever. Your brain is not broken. It's just stuck in a loop. Overthinking is not about thinking too much. It's about thinking without direction. Your brain is trying to protect you, but it doesn't know when to stop. Think about the last time you lay awake at night. You weren't scared of something real. You were scared of something possible. Your brain was playing out every worst-case scenario just in case. That is what overthinking does. It prepares you for a war that never comes. Here's what's really happening inside your head. When you face uncertainty, your brain activates its threat detection system. It starts scanning for danger, and when it can't find a clear answer, it keeps scanning over and over. That's the loop. And the more you try to stop it, the stronger it gets. Overthinkers are not weak. They are actually some of the most intelligent people alive. Research shows that people with higher IQs are more likely to overthink because their brain notices more patterns, more risks, more possibilities. But intelligence without direction becomes a prison. A mind that never rests is not a strong mind. It is a suffering one. So why can't you stop? Because overthinking gives your brain a false sense of control. It feels like if you think long enough, you will find the perfect answer. But that answer never comes because the brain is not solving a problem, it is avoiding one. The real problem is not the thought, it is the emotion underneath it. Fear, uncertainty, the need for control. Overthinking is just your brain's way of avoiding that uncomfortable feeling. And as long as you keep thinking, you never have to feel it. So how do you break the loop? Step 1, name it. The moment you catch yourself overthinking, say it out loud. I am overthinking right now. This one act shifts your brain from automatic to manual. You become the observer, not the prisoner. Step 2, give your brain a deadline. Tell yourself, I will think about this for 5 minutes. Set a timer. When it goes off, you stop. Your brain respects boundaries when you set them clearly. Step 3, move your body. Overthinking lives in a still body. A 10-minute walk, a workout, even stretching breaks the mental loop physically. Your body and brain are connected. Move one and the other follows. Step 4, write it down. Get the thoughts out of your head and onto paper. When you write, your brain stops recycling the same thought. It feels heard and it lets go. Step 5, accept uncertainty. Most overthinking comes from trying to control what cannot be controlled. The moment you accept that not everything needs an answer right now, the loop loses its power. Your brain is not your enemy. It is the most powerful tool you own. But like any tool, it needs to be directed, not left to run on its own. Stop trying to silence your mind. Start learning to lead it and watch your entire life change. Follow for more psychology facts that will change how you see yourself.